Hi everyone, on this video I'm gonna show how to install a latest movies and TV series applications for free lifetime. Talo pa po yung Netflix. So just follow my steps. Let's go. Dito pupunta tayo sa browser po. Type lang po natin yung Streamio. Ito yung first link po, ito lang yung pipindutin natin. Tapos if you're using Apple po na machine, laptop, i-click nyo lang po to and then download po. And then if you're using Windows machine po, then click lang din natin to and then download. And then if you're using Linux, then click Linux. And that's it. And then punta po tayo sa sa application ko na. Dahil na-download ko na to. Ito po yung application. And then sign up. Kung gusto nyo rin makatanggap kayo ng notification na meron silang new movies na na-upload or TV series na na-upload, ito, lagay nyo lang yung email address nyo, create kayo password, and then that's it. Pero in my case, gagawin ko lang, mag-guest lang ako. I-accept ko lang to, terms and condition, and then privacy policy. You don't need to take this one. Pero kung gusto nyo meron din, marketing, it's up to you. So guest, login lang po ako. Then pag nandito na tayo sa application natin, click lang natin tong logo na to for add-ons. Since na-download ko na to last night, na ready na po siya lahat. So ito po lang siya, gawin nyo. Ito nakalagay dito, install, then click install. Basta make sure it comes with the movies and TV series here. Yan, yung useful lang na you can watch movies and TV series. So that's it. Ito, punta tayo sa movies. Pakita ko po sa inyo how to search a TV series or channels. Ito lang dito, click yung sports kung gusto may manood ng sports, and nandito lang po lahat yung list. So try natin yung movies. Yes, ito. Ang maganda po kasi nito compare sa mga website. Ang website kasi minsan nagbabuffering tapos dami pang pop-ups. And I'm not saying na annoying, pero I think that's the point. So ito, yan, free. Kung yung laptop nyo o yung TV nyo rin, kung gusto nyo ikabit yung laptop nyo sa TV using HDMI, kung may HDMI socket yung laptop to, pwede din. Then yan, click nyo to, yung free. Yan, mayroon yan ito 4K. Ito, supported to sa 4K. Try nyo rin yan. Pero sa akin, demonstration purposes lang, click lang to. Skip pa natin konti.
Thank you for flying with us. We do appreciate it.
Ayan po siya. Ito yung movies po. So, ito lang po. Ito po yung TV series din dito. Yan, pili lang po kayo dyan ng TV series nyo. Makapapanood po kayo. Itong application po, ulitin ko, for free po to siya, lifetime. So, talo pa po yung Netflix nito. So, hopefully po, yung video na to po nakatulong sa inyo again. And stay healthy, stay safe, and stay home. Don't forget po to like, share, and subscribe. Peace out! Bye po!